2 3-year-olds, 1 4-year-old. They're 7 to 9 months bred. Young and nice as they can be. You'll not find them no better nowhere in America. All right, tell me here, down, bid here, down, here, down, here, down, $4,000. $4,000, $4,000, one. I got 41, two, now three, and 43, now 4,400, where you get about to get here, now 4,400, now 5, 45, 600 here, now 7, and 47 here, now 8, $4,800 here, now 9, $5,000, 549 and a half, bid 5,000, 5,000, I'm not gonna bid the 5, I'm in $4,950, takes 5,000 to go, 5,000, hit 5,000, now 50, 5,000, 50, 5,000, 50, now 1, hit 51, 5,000, 50, bid 1, now high, 51.50, now 2, $5,200, 52, 52, $5,200 here, where you get about here, now to get down to 2 high, 5,250, 3, 53, $5,300 up to the 3, 3, 3, now 3, I'm in 52, now 3 high, 53, 3 and a half, now 4, 5,400, 54, $5,400 up to the 4, 53 and a half, bid 4, 54, I'm gonna bid the 4, now 4, I'm gonna 4, I'm in 5,350 here, bid $5,400, $5,400, $5,400, where you get about to get 4, all in, all done, 54, where you get about to get here to 54, I sold them $5,350.